Hey there. I recently bought and tested these top portable air compressors so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've put in the time to assess each product so you can trust my insights on what works and what doesn't. Let's dive in.
Product number 1. Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, yellow. I recently had the chance to test the Astro AI Tire Inflator, and let me tell you, it was quite an experience. As someone who often finds myself on the road, having a reliable air compressor is a must. This little gadget has a 9.8-foot cord, which is perfect for reaching all corners of my car, and I appreciate it that it needs to be plugged into a 12V DC outlet, ensuring I can use it on the go. The programmable inflation feature is a game changer. I simply set the desired pressure using the easy-to-navigate buttons, and it automatically shuts off once it reaches that pressure. This means no more guesswork or constant monitoring, which is a relief. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pros side, the Astro AI Inflator is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in my glove compartment. The backlit screen is a lifesaver for nighttime use, and the built-in LED light is super handy for those unexpected nighttime tire emergencies. On the downside, the noise level is around 80 decibels, definitely on the louder side for a portable compressor, but I'd argue it's a small price to pay for efficiency. Additionally, it might not be suitable for heavy-duty truck tires, which could limit its versatility for some users. So why should you consider buying this inflator? If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly tire inflator that can help you manage emergencies on the road, this is a strong contender. The combination of durability, thanks to Astro AI's tough Ultra technology, and smart features makes it a solid investment for any driver. I personally feel more secure knowing that I have this compressor handy whenever I hit the road.
Product number 2. Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, blue. The second product on my list is another model by Astro AI, this time in a cool blue color. I decided to put this one through its paces just like the yellow model. It comes with the same 9.8-foot cord, which I found was just the right length for reaching every tire without any hassle. Similar to its counterpart, this compressor features programmable inflation, allowing me to preset the tire pressure. I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly it inflated my car tires, from flat to fully inflated in just a few minutes. Now, the pros and cons of this unit. On the bright side, it has an intuitive design with easy-to-read pressure readings in different unit options. The lightweight design makes it super portable, and it fits easily in my trunk or even in the glove compartment. However, the cons are similar to the previous model. The noise levels are quite high, which can be a bit jarring. I also noticed that while it works great for sedans and SUVs, it may struggle a bit with larger vehicles. So why buy this Astro AI inflator? If you're looking for a compact air compressor that you can easily stow away in your car and you value quick inflation times, this is a fantastic choice. It offers excellent value for money, especially for those who find themselves needing to inflate tires regularly. I know I feel more at ease knowing I have this handy device whenever I'm out and about.
Product number 3, Astro AI Tire Inflator with dual power supply, is a more advanced model from Astro AI that caught my eye due to its dual power supply feature. This model works with both 12V DC and 110V AC, which is a huge plus for flexibility. I tested it at home and in my car, and it performed admirably in both scenarios. The dual metal motors are designed for high efficiency, and I found it incredibly fast, pumping my flat tire from 0 to 36 psi in just about 6 minutes. The 15-minute continuous use capability is also impressive, even for larger items like air mattresses. Let's talk about the pros and cons. One major pro is the OmniVent technology, which really does enhance the cooling and prolongs the life of the compressor. It also features a bright LED light, which is useful when working in the dark. On the downside, it can be a bit bulky compared to the other models, and the noise level is a touch higher than I'd prefer during operation. So why should you consider this model? If you need a versatile inflator that can handle both your car and home needs, this Astro AI unit is a fantastic choice. I found it to be a reliable workhorse, and the speed at which it inflates is simply unmatched. For anyone who values efficiency and flexibility in a portable air compressor, this is definitely worth the investment.
Product number 4, Astro AI Tire Inflator 100 PSI. Now let's talk about the Astro AI Tire Inflator that offers a maximum pressure of 100 PSI. What really struck me about this unit is how straightforward it is to use. With a flow rate of 25 L per minute, it can pump up a tire from 29 PSI to 36 PSI in just about a minute. The compact design made it easy to store, and the long power cord allowed me to reach all tires without any hassle. It's powered by the 12-volt DC outlet, so I was able to use it seamlessly on my road trips. In terms of pros and cons, one of the biggest advantages is the auto shutoff feature, which gives you peace of mind knowing you won't overinflate your tires. The integrated storage compartment is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to keep accessories organized. However, I did notice the noise level is around 80 decibels, which could be bothersome for some users during operation. Moreover, while it's great for cars and bikes, it's best to avoid using it for heavy-duty vehicles. So why should you buy this model? If you're looking for a compact and efficient inflator that offers rapid inflation and user-friendly features, this Astro AI compressor is an excellent choice. I found it incredibly reliable for everyday use, and it has become a staple in my car for those unexpected emergencies.
Product number 5, Aliexpress X100 Wireless Heads-Up Display. I had to test out the Aliexpress X100 Wireless Heads-Up Display, which is priced at $49.99. Right away, the premium carbon fiber design caught my eye. It felt more high-end than the other models I tested, and the LCD screen was ultra-clear, making it easy to read. One of the unique features is its solar-powered capability, which is eco-friendly and means I didn't have to worry about it dying on long trips. The X100 provides military-grade GPS accuracy, which was evident as it auto-synced time and calibrated speed on the fly. I felt secure knowing I was getting reliable readings. This model also tracks altitude and temperature, which is a cool bonus for those who like to be informed about their driving conditions. But with all these features, it does come with a few downsides. The price is a bit higher than others on this list, and the unit is bulkier than some of the more compact options. Additionally, while the solar charging feature is great, I found myself relying on USB charging for quicker power-ups, especially on cloudy days. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile heads-up display that offers more than just speed readings, the Aliexpress X100 is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts and those who want a premium product that enhances their driving experience. In conclusion, each of these portable air compressors offers unique features and benefits that cater to different needs. From the compact and user-friendly designs to the advanced capabilities of dual power supply units, there's an option for everyone. I hope this review helps you make an informed choice. Remember, having a reliable air compressor can save you time and stress on the road, so choose wisely.